Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of EI180S. Whether romantically, meeting new people, or distant relatives that your parents invited, we all want to be liked. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 things you can do to make someone like you fast. It's your unlocked potential, and since we only have 3 minutes, let's start the countdown. Number 1, talk about them. People love to talk about themselves. You may already know this, but let's take it up a notch. Talk about them and what they love, what they have been through, or what they're passionate about. When people feel they can share what they love, what they care about, or have someone to understand them, this creates a deeper bond and trust. Naturally, this makes them like you more. Number 2, be the first to be funny. Everyone likes a good joke, but be the first one to tell it. This gives you the advantage to make people around you feel more relaxed and let them warm up to you. Of course, don't give inappropriate jokes or jokes that will seem offensive. If you're funny in a good way, people are more likely to want to talk to you more. Number 3, do more than what they expect. Open the door for them, pull out a chair, or bring something like water when they didn't even ask you can go a long way. It doesn't only make you seem nice and considerate, but it sets you apart from other people. Why would they like you? Because you're different in a good way. Number 4, compliment them, but about what they have achieved. It's easy to compliment people with things like you're so cute or you're handsome. Sure, that makes them feel good, but how many times have they heard that before? Probably many times. If you were to say, wow, you're really good at basketball, or you're amazing on the piano, it reinforces what they have achieved through working hard. That sense of acknowledgement will make them like you. 1, because your compliment stands out. And 2, it's not something they're born with, so they will feel appreciated, makes them feel good, and that may cause them to like you more. Number 5, consider the intensity and duration. There are 4 types of interactions when you take intensity and duration into consideration. First, you have low intensity and short duration. Then you have low intensity and long duration. Next, you have high intensity and short duration. And lastly, you have high intensity and long duration. Studies show that it takes about 40 to 60 hours to form a casual friendship, 80 to 100 hours to be upgraded to being a friend, and about 200 hours to become good friends. What makes someone like you more and more is by spending a lot of time with you. But remember, this video is about making them like you fast. So the best way is to increase the intensity instead of whatever duration you spend with that person. Now, this one you need to be a bit careful because you don't want to be overly intense. Otherwise, you will seem needy or desperate. What you should do is to carefully pick out the best jokes, the best compliments, great conversation starters, and pace them in an appropriate manner. Usually when you meet someone or start to get closer to someone, there's usually a short duration where you can make a good impression to make them like you. That's why for many people, they can't really pinpoint when or how exactly they like or fall for someone. Timing is very important, and as a bonus, don't forget to smile. And that's 180 seconds. Did you like this video? Which ways are you going to try first? Help me out by smashing that like button and comment down below to let me know what you think. Also, be sure to check out the videos on the screen and subscribe for more improvement videos. Keep on improving and keep learning. I'll see you all this Sunday. Cheers.